Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been gone for a while and I didn't do my BoxyCharm video this month, and so I'm sorry about that, but there are explanations. Here she is with the two other in the other room. I've had my siblings over for the summer, so I've been very occupied with them and I never get time with them, so I've really wanted to spend the most time that I can with them, so that's why I really haven't gotten in front of the camera this summer. But about last week, I think last Saturday, we put an order in on Fashion Nova, and it's the first time that we have shopped on there. And we've heard their jeans are good, so we got some jeans and I got a shirt. We literally spent 2 hours looking on the site to see what we wanted on the sale side though, because we gotta save $1, you know, right?
Yes, girl.
So we were like literally sweeping the sale section and we found some good stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and unpack the clothes and then kind of like see our first reaction and then try them on for you. So you want to do the honors? Oh, this is my sister Chadaline, aka Marjorie. So she goes by Chadaline at school, but I call her Marjorie, so just in case that gets a little confusing.
It's Charlie.
Oh, sorry, Charlene. In Spanish, it's Chadaline.
Okay.
Here, open it.
Whoa.
You do the honors.
I don't have nails.
You have one good nail.
Bro, did we spend a lot of...
Did we buy all that clothes? Didn't we buy like 3?
No, you bought all that stuff. You don't remember?
Oh, it's because they're folded. That's why.
Bro, I don't remember what shirt you got.
I don't either.
You said you got a shirt, but...
So this is some black jeans. This isn't gonna fit me.
Let me see.
It's gonna be too big. It's 5'6", but I just got a 5.
They just label it like that.
They just labeled it like that?
Yeah, they're warm.
Where are the ones that you got?
They're right here.
These aren't as light as you thought.
No, they...
No, these look lighter online.
I mean, I like them like this. I don't know.
Whoa. Their depiction on the online is different. Okay.
That's tiny.
This is, I guess it will fit me. This is cute.
Bro, you spoke too soon. You scared me.
Why does it feel wet?
Because it was hot outside, no?
It was sweating.
Oh, what the heck? It does feel wet. That's so weird.
Who peed on my clothes now? Who wore them?
The top is really wet.
They don't feel, they're stretchy. Oh, so if I gain a little weight or, no, if I gain a little muscle, it'll stretch.
True. Ah. Bro, they do feel wet. Like when you sweat and then you...
Yeah.
Oh.
That's weird. So these are, it looks like the brand that they come from is UWJ Los Angeles. So I know, I've seen a couple of videos where it has the tag here and it says Fashion Nova. So I don't know, like as far as where they get their stuff from, but that's what the tag says. Oh, and we also got, can you tell us what we got here? Because you're the ones that look at it.
We just got 25% off.
Should we use it?
If we buy something.
Do you think we could use it with the 30% off that they have right now?
Probably, yeah.
We can try.
Yeah, you could try.
What else did they send?
They just sent this. I don't know what the heck this is.
I think that's to return it.
Oh, yeah.
If we need to return anything.
And then the prices.
The prices. Wait, why is it a sticker?
I don't know. It's a sticker though.
Ah, okay. So, Chadi, show us the pants that you got and tell us why you got these pants.
Okay, I don't know. Is there a certain reach?
There's like a little seal somewhere.
Oh, I think it's up here. Okay. Wait, why did I get that?
Like, why do you like these?
Dude, no, these feel wetter than those.
They're wet? What the freak?
But they don't smell.
But why do they feel wet? They're like moist, guys. Like, you know how when you're about to take your clothes out of the dryer, but they just need that like 5 minutes? That's how they feel.
Like the 5 minutes. Okay. Anyways. These are the ones that I don't. They're actually cute. I like them.
They
don't look too
They
long.
look long.
Really? I was about to say they don't look too long.
They look long, dude.
Darn.
We'll find out when you try them on.
Either way, if not, I could still fold them. That look good.
But what is the brand that's on there?
The same one now?
No. Brand B.O.B. Jeans. Los Angeles. Okay. And I didn't tell you guys what I got. I just got them just because they're black. I like black jeans. The ones I have currently are Guess jeans, and I got those about 2 years ago, and they're already like super faded, so I need a new one. The material, it's a thin material. I'm not mad at it, but I like this kind of material here. But
you look like the jean material.
Like the jean material, yeah. But this is good too. I mean, I don't mind.
This material feels like
preference.
All of the jeans.
This is jean,
except for this one.
This one, no.
Like all my Hollister ones feel like actually no, this one's like more softer and stretchier.
Like stretchier, more of like a
yeah. But I don't know. I prefer my jeans like this.
Yeah. I read somewhere that we're not supposed to wash and dry these.
Why?
Because it melts all the elastic inside, and then it starts being stretchy.
Really?
Yeah, and then that's why our jeans start getting loose.
Same.
After a while.
Well,
that's a new tip. So I got these jeans by the same brand. Let's see if these are wet too.
They probably are gonna be.
Why? Do you think it's because of the sun?
Maybe.
But they weren't in the sun. They were in my car. Oh, my car's hot. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, those colors are pretty.
This color is pretty. I
don't remember.
I like the darker kind of jeans.
These are warmish.
Yeah, these don't feel like super wet.
But yeah, they look good.
Yeah. And they feel the same, a little different. We'll see. And then I spent freaking 15 minutes trying to get this little girl to pick out a shirt or extra pair of pants. She did not want to. She said that Fashion Nova style for the shirts wasn't good enough for her.
I did not say that.
So, but really, why didn't you get one?
Bro, I was tired. It was like 3 in the morning.
You should have just taped your eyelids like I told you.
No, I was tired.
Okay, so this shirt is actually the only piece. What the?
I don't remember what.
Okay, that's it. This stinks.
It smells like dog.
Sister, it stinks.
Well, let me see the shirt. I forgot what shirt you got.
Okay, but I don't like the material. I did not buy this.
I feel like you did. Something you would buy. Wait, actually, I don't know if you did buy that.
This is not what I saw on the website.
Well, pull up a picture of what you saw, because I don't remember.
It's so much cuter on the girl. This is catfish.
It would probably look cute on you too, though. They catfish you?
Yes.
Sorry.
It's gonna go from this. From this to this. So that is the end of our try on and first impressions of Fashion Nova. What did you think?
Their jeans were not what I expected. I thought they were gonna be like a different material.
Like what kind of material?
Like
a denimish kind of material? I did too.
Cause those jeans, like if you go to like, they feel like Colombian jeans. How you like feel Colombian?
Yeah, they feel like
they feel like Colombian jeans.
Yeah,
in a way.
agreed.
Also, what else?
Do you think you would pay $35 for
No.
like?
Well, maybe every jean. These are more thicker. These aren't like. This is more like a jean like. When you feel these, they feel different.
Yeah, they do feel. These black jeans I'm wearing, they do feel different.
They feel
I wonder if the higher priced ones are like a different material.
True. They probably
So,
are. Yeah.
Maybe we can order some fully priced jeans and see how much of a difference there is in the material or not. But if there isn't, I would rather just go to Guess and get me some denim.
Yeah.
Nice material lasting jeans. Because they remind me of the pants that I get at Rue 21 sometimes.
Oh, really?
But those are a lot more thinner actually too, so. But they're similar. As far as the shirt, I was really unhappy with it at first, but then like I tried it on and I thought that was cute. I like it because it's like really appropriate for work, and I like it.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah.
The only thing is that the pants, if you're like shorter,
Oh yeah.
you're gonna have to roll them up.
Yeah. The pants are really long. On her, the rips, she wanted them to be up higher, like on her thigh, but they're like real low. And then she has like a whole, like bunched up extra fabric at the bottom.
There's extra
So,
fabric.
I think she was you were disappointed in that.
Yeah, well, no, just in general, like the jeans did not.
Yeah.
I thought they're gonna be way different.
Are we gonna return those? I think we should.
Yeah. Well, no, just a different size, no?
Yeah.
A
If
smaller
they don't,
size.
I believe that if they don't have the size or whatever, they'll reimburse the money, but in store credit only. They won't give it back to the.
They do have it checked.
What?
If they
Oh,
have
the size, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, as far as the other pants, the ones that I ordered, I liked them. I was happy with them.
They look good.
At first, I was really thrown off by the back here, like, because they're really high waisted and they were like really up on my back. And usually the jeans I buy, I guess they kind of are high-waisted, but they go lower a little bit because of my butt, I guess. But these are like really stretchy and have a lot of fabric, so it goes all the way up.
Do you feel like they make your butt big or no? Cause
I feel like they don't.
they don't. Yeah. Well, they were a little bit big on me, but no, I don't think they did.
Yeah, I don't feel like they make my butt look a little bigger, or I don't know. Maybe it's just the color, or maybe it'll look big. Maybe it'll look good with like heels or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, I would like to order some more and kind of get a better opinion or a further opinion on. Like I said, I haven't filmed because I am enjoying my time with them and it's very valuable to me. So I feel very selfish and like I'm wasting my time with them when I come in here and do my makeup by myself for like 3 or 4 hours when we could be out doing something else or cooking or, you know, doing something with them. So it's just a family thing, I guess. But don't think that I've forgotten about you guys. I have been feeling guilty, but at the same time not you know, I have to choose family first. It's just it's how it is. So, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this and I hope you guys have a happy 4th of July. I might upload a vlog because we'll be doing fireworks and we'll be with family.
You should do a makeup look.
Yeah, we could do
makeup.
Are you volunteering to do a get ready with us?
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do like the 4th of July get
Even
ready.
though I don't wear eyeshadow, this is my makeup.
That's okay.
And then, yeah.
That's okay. Or I can do your eyeshadow too.
You could do like a before, like not on the actual day, but or no.
Like before July 4th
Yeah,
to upload?
yeah.
Well, yeah, we could.
Maybe, we'll see.
But yeah, I'm sorry. Love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.